So, Catherine, we are going to have 3 workshops in Asia in this coming September. And one of them is called Splendor Inner Child. And another one is Morphology with Greek gods, the mixed types. And the next one will be Source of Revelation 2. So could you tell us about the 3 workshops, what they're about?
Well, the first one, Inner Child, right? Inner Child is really an imagery workshop. And it takes the idea that we're always two, and that there's an inner child and there's a wounded child. And so the wounded child is always trying to get back to that perfect, wonderful, radiant being that is the inner child self. So we do that in a lot of imagery exercises, and it's actually, I've given it many times, and people really have great fun with it, and they rediscover their playfulness and their wonder at life. So that's the first one. Second one is on morphology, and it's a particular, each of these workshops on morphology, we treat three gods, and these are the mixed types: Pluto, Uranus, and Neptune. And we examine through exercises and through embodying their stories that we can actually discover their forms. You don't know what their form is. You don't know what a Neptune will look like. But after doing the exercises that are based on their myth, you're going to start feeling your body moving in a certain way and taking on a particular shape, and your color of your hair will change in the imagery, not in fact, but in the imagery, right? And you will be able to describe very exactly what the Neptune type is and how his Neptunian form informs the emotions, or more exactly, or the other way around, the emotions inform and give form to his type of body. And it's all completely linked. And we can do that. It's very quick and very revealing. So that's the morphology. And then we have a third workshop, which is Source of Revelation 2. And it's based on the ancient texts of Cabala, because the lineage that I come from and that I represent is a Kabbalistic lineage. And Cabala means to receive. It's like we receive from the inside. Right? And these texts are describing the, let's say, the cosmology of the world and the underlying structures of the world. And so we go back to the sources and find out how they came to this kind of work that we're doing today with the students, or I am doing with the students and you're doing with yours.
Thank you, Catherine, very much. These workshops will be on Zoom with Mandarin translation. If you're interested, please check theschoolofimages.org for more information.
Thank you, Catherine, again, and we will see you all in the workshops.